Here we're using the freely downloadable Paint.net photo editing software. It's good. You've got layers over here in the right hand side. You've got the history of the operations you've done. You've got your selection of tools over here on the left, and obviously more detail in the menu bars at the top. And I've just started off by opening the picture that I want to edit. It's Coco Chanel. I'm just going to take a fragment of that. So the first thing I want to do is zoom in, so I can just do Control Plus and that'll allow me to zoom in quite a lot. The more I zoom in, the more detailed it's going to be. I can move these out of the way because I'm not going to need them. And I'm just going to choose the rubber here on the left hand side. And I'm going to stay with a really chunky rubber because I'm just going to do it quickly to demonstrate. You'd probably want to take more time with that. At the same time I'm rubbing out the background, which is helpful. Great, that's roughly right. That's roughly right as well. There we go. When you're doing this, obviously you want to be as precise as you can so the final image looks really good. So you might want to go down to even 2 or 1 pixel at the end to tidy up those edges really nicely. Okay, I'm not going to do that. And then you can use the lasso tool, which is here. It looks like the magnifying glass but with a curvy edge. But again, you get a rectangle around the canvas, so you might as well go with the rectangle tool straight away. Just going to move the toolbar out the way. So I'm going to take a picture of just that selection I want, because we want the canvas as close and as tight round our actual image, otherwise it's going to cause problems in GeoGebra later when we're trying to select different parts. I'm going to Control C it, and then I'm going to do a new file. OK, because it automatically sets a canvas size that's the same as the one I want. Great. And we're almost there because most of it's invisible. We just want to get the rest of that background invisible. So you have the Magic Wand tool in Paint.net. I just click on the background that I don't want and Control X, backspace won't do it. And now it's totally transparent. And then I'm just going to do File, Save As, and it gives me a list of file formats. So I could choose JPEG, I could choose GIF, etc. But we want PNG because otherwise we might lose the transparency when we're putting it into GeoGebra. Yeah. Great, okay, so that was called Coco Fragment. Brilliant, just please, that's all good. And so here I am. How did I insert that? Well, what do? You click, third one along, you've got Insert Image. Click where you want the bottom left corner of it to be. Double click on the image and it inserts it for you. And you're away. Over to you, best of luck.